Come set up my table with me. So here I am setting up my cookies in these dome platters. I usually do this when I have a smaller setup. I only made 3 types of cookies for this event: oatmeal chocolate chip, butter jam, and coconut. If you have any questions on the products I use, feel free to ask in the comments. Here I'm setting up my display for my bracelets. So I have a $7 tier, a $6 tier, and an $8 tier. And here it is when it's all done.